car junkie fans. We are here at Universal Studios, Florida. And, well, it's all decorated up for Christmas. Yeah, looks pretty good. Alright, well, let's run around the park, and I'm sure we can get some updates for you. Right away, we can tell you that Fear Factor Live is back. It's still here. And they're doing auditions today. Well, hey guys. Like I said, we're walking around just doing general updates here and came across this photo op here. That's funny.
Okay.
Alright. Let's go get some more money. Alright guys, let's head into the prop shop for a quick update before I show you a surprise.
Hey.
Hello. Let's see, for Halloween stuff, I don't really see anything too new in here. Just kind of get a glance.
Good evening.
Let's see, we have elf. We had some pretty cool signs.
I'm pretty sure they'll make a DLC of that that did like that'll take place in the upside down DVD chase of the programs and that giant evil thing. Good afternoon.
Johnny Lightning. Got some American graffiti. Pharaoh's Gold.
Why would they be changing the prices? They was telling me that it was picking up bringing yeah, I'm wrong with that.
Alright guys, I just want to give you an update. Studio Styles is now the new annual pass holder lounge. That's right guys. We have our own lounge.
We only have a couple minutes.
Alright guys, we just entered the pass member lounge.
Hello, how are y'all doing? Thank you. The first time meeting us, what's going on? It's cool. It's obviously AC, big plus. We have the Arctic coolers, and then we have Cokes available for purchase along here. This Arctic cooler actually is cooled to 23 degrees, and you can actually turn the drink. I can see all we have is Sprite left in here, into a slushie.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah.
I'm like,
Yeah, take one. Yeah. Those are for sale. Those are $10, like $10 bucks. But those are the magnets are free if you don't have one.
Cool. So what do? You just buy a bottle of soda?
Yeah, you can purchase one right over here,
Okay.
but these are in a special cooler, so these are a little bit colder versus
So
those.
like, what do? You put it on that?
Yeah, you actually would turn it over for 3 seconds, you pull it right back, you set it on top of there, and then it turns it into a slushie.
Alright, pretty cool.
Yeah.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
thank you.
Alright.
It's cool, isn't it? Well, what I'll tell you is technically it's only available through January 31st. So what I recommend is if you have social media, go on Facebook, go on Twitter, that kind of stuff, just show that this really matters to you and that it makes an impact. Because the more you guys say something, the more a difference will be made.
Because on SeaWorld has one, and I absolutely love it, and I wish all of the theme parks will have one.
Agreed. Well, that's what I'm like, if anything, just make sure to share your feedback because then it ends up getting back. You know, more of an impact.
Well, we're definitely going to share it on our YouTube channel.
Sounds good. All right, good.
Yeah. So you heard that, guys. If you like what you see here, leave a comment. Let them know on Instagram.
Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, anything like that. Let us know. Because then what you guys say actually ends up making a difference.
Yeah, so we can actually keep this, guys. Alright, guys, so don't forget to vote and let them know that you want to keep this. And we can have our own Past Member Lounge for good.
Yeah, the Cokes over there are set up about 16 years.
Let me get the sign on the wall, which was pretty cool.
And in terms of the slush on this little machine here, which is really cool.
Alright, guys, we got to check out the Past Member Lounge. And we got our little magnets. Alright, guys, we just got out of our Past Member Lounge and they hooked you up with free snacks. And plus that really cool machine that you can put in a 20-ounce soda and it turns it into an instant frosty. Alright, so now we've done the update on the new Past Member Lounge, like I said, and don't forget to go ahead and vote on that so we can keep it. We've got till January, the run and test till January on the Past Member Lounge. Alright guys, we are here over by the old Terminator ride. Okay, and from what I have just got done talking to a few guys that I know here, and they said that they've been really working on it. Actually, they even claimed that just a few days ago, they were working on this building, tearing down so much stuff that the whole entire park was shaking from the construction that they were doing on this building. They said that they're doing so much construction on the inside that there's no way that this is going to be a cut, copy, paste kind of ride. This is going to be from a scratch, ground up, tear out everything kind of ride. So we're really looking forward to that, guys. I'm so glad I found that out. Well, guys, while we're walking around trying to get some Christmas footage for you, and we've seen these guys.
How we doing? How's it going? Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas!
No.
Alright, so not a whole entire lot. Happy holidays! Hey guys, how you guys?
Hi guys, Merry Christmas!
Hi, Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas!
Have a great night.
Thank you. So, we're getting to say hi to all the characters. Merry Christmas!
Christmas!
Thank you!
Hey, happy holidays!
Thank you! Alright, Theme Park Junkie fans, we came to Universal Studios to do a few updates, and we got them done. So, we did Islands of Adventure, which is going to be a totally separate video to do the Harry Potter coaster update, and I'll attach a link right there. And then we came over to Universal Studios to do just a generalized update here in the park. And we found out that they have a Past Member Lounge that they are trying out. We showed you footage of it. Don't forget to vote on that. Yeah, that's pretty cool.
They need to keep it.
We showed you the prop shop, not too much going on in there, and gave you that major update on what's going on with the Terminator. Yes, so you heard there's major construction going on with that. So, and if you didn't hear while we were recording, we got mistaken for, or I got mistaken for Tim Tracker. Yeah, so, sorry Tim. I guess I look like you. I don't know. Alright guys, well, until next time, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. And we'll see you at the theme park. Bye guys.